Hello guys, 2022 Cleaneurasia Fair in Istanbul, and we would like to show you our all products in our booth. Come! We are all innovative and best products located in Turkish market. So our floor scrubber machine starting from 20 liter, 35 liter, 40 liter, 50 liter, 60 liter, continue with ride-on machine, and ride-on machine with 120 liter, 160 liter, even 200 liter water capacity. And this year our best innovative product, which is Mordax G4, which means we have a G4 power on the machine. Very simple, you just start to work. Even for more high pressure, more pressure on the floor, you can see, just stand up the machine, which is 80 kilograms, and use it on the floor. Very easy, and also with water pump. We're going to continue with our vacuum cleaners and the more innovative products. Let's go. What is new? This is our new robots. Who has no idea about them? New generation, you don't have to handle it. You just let them clean. So, as Blancos brand, we have 50 liter floor scrubbers, ride-on machines, and of course our baby, Blancos 45. Very easy to use. Okay. As you see, even kids can ride our machines. We have street sweeper, which is new design for street sweeping with standing board with connection over there. All products, vacuum, cleaning trolley, floor scrubbers, single disc, and also ride-on machines, whatever you need, you can find in our brand, which is Star, which is Staff, and also Blancos. Very glad to see you in Cleaneurasia 2022, and we would like to see you next year. If you didn't come to visit us, you can contact us by mail or phone. So see you next year. Goodbye!